All India Rubber Industries Association, AIRIA, brings to you India Rubber Expo and Tire Show 2015.
Hello, I'm Mahendra Gupta, Chairman of India Rubber Expo 2015.
This expo is being organized by All India Rubber Industries Association, held at Pragati Maidan, New Delhi in 2015. India Rubber Expo is the largest rubber exhibition in India and Southeast Asia. The growing expo in rubber industry aims to promote and develop India and international rubber industry. All India Rubber Industries Association is one of the oldest industry association in the country with over 1200 members. It is completing 70th year of successful operation in 2015. The association is meant for the growth of rubber industry by promoting the industry with the help of expos, seminars, conferences, events throughout India at different locations. India Rubber Expo was founded in 2001 by Mr. Anil Sampath, our past president. The show has grown over 15 times since last decade, establishing its strong presence both in domestic and international markets, including tire and non-tire industry. In 2013, the expo was successfully held at Mumbai with over 350 Indian and international exhibitors. The show is held biannually and has progressed to New Delhi in 2015. 8th edition of India Rubber Expo is being held at Pragati Maidan, New Delhi, covering Indian and international participants including USA, Germany, Italy, Turkey, Malaysia, Indonesia, Thailand, Vietnam, Japan, Sri Lanka, China and other neighboring countries. The show will be attended by Indian and international visitors for sourcing their business and industrial requirements. Experts and specialists from international countries come together along with experts from India to discuss emerging market scenarios, technologies, alliances and various related subjects. After showcasing India Rubber Expo in India's largest commercial hubs, AIRIA is bringing India Rubber Expo and Tire Show to the heart of India, its capital city, New Delhi, the next destination for rubber exposition. After the grand success of 7th India Rubber Expo 2013 in Mumbai, covering 30,000 square meter of space, 8th edition of the Expo is going to be held at Pragati Maidan, New Delhi from 15th to 17th of January 2015. The event covers 40,000 square meters of exhibition space with over 400 domestic and international exhibitors. The show will be attended by over 40,000 visitors in 3 days, including delegates attending workshops, conferences, seminars and buyer-seller meets. The show highlights special pavilions from MSME, Rubber Board, international participants and other government body pavilion from rubber and allied industry. The show being held in January 2015 is a perfect timing for quality buyers looking for sourcing new rubber and allied products. Pragati Maidan, New Delhi is the most prestigious and well-known exhibition venue in the world. It comprises of all facilities including Wi-Fi arrangement, media, security, electricity, restaurants, food court with international quality standards. The venue is well connected by metro and road transport. It is centrally located amidst all the premium hotels nearby with exhibitors, visitors and delegates having easy access to them. The show is sponsored by global brands from the rubber industry and also supported by various government federations and industry associations in India.
I am very thankful to all our exhibitors, delegates and visitors who have come all parts of the world. My good wishes to all of you.
The reality and capabilities that you will witness when you come here for the IRE 2015 to be held at Pragati Maidan, progress field or the field of progress. So come, be a part of India Rubber Expo and Tire Show 2015. Race to global rubber supremacy.